Hey everyone! Today, we're going to talk about something super exciting, how to get your own .com.np domain for free. If you're in Nepal and want a website to show the world what you do, a .com.np domain is the perfect way to start. I'll walk you through everything you need to know, what a domain name is, why you should have a website, and the easy steps to register your .com.np domain today. Let's dive right in. So, first things first, why do you even need a website and a domain name in the first place? Think of a domain name as your website's unique address. It's how people find you on the internet. Having your own website with a domain name builds trust and makes you look professional, whether you're a business, a freelancer, or just sharing a passion project. A website makes it easy for people to learn about you, see what you offer, and even contact you. Plus, in today's world, it's a great way to stand out and reach people far beyond your local area. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk more about domain names. Think of it like the nameplate for your online home. Just as you'd have a home address, your domain name is how people find your website. For example, Google's domain is google.com, Facebook's is facebook.com, and yours could be yourname.com.np. It's that simple. When people type your domain name into their browser, they'll go straight to your website. Alright, here's a little technical but important part, name servers. Imagine name servers as the internet's phone book. They connect your domain name to the actual server where your website files are stored. When someone types your domain name into their browser, the name server finds where your website files are stored and connects them. This lets your website load properly. When you register a .com.np domain, you'll see a section asking for name servers. If you have a hosting provider, you'll enter the addresses they give you. If you don't have hosting yet, no problem, you can leave it blank for now and update it later. Now, let's get to the main part, how to register your free .com.np domain. I'll break it down step by step, so it's super easy to follow. Step 1, you'll need a couple of documents to prove you're from Nepal. Just grab your citizenship card or driver's license, and take a clear picture or scan it. Step 2, open your browser and go to register.com.np. This is the official site for .com.np domain registration. Step 3, type in the domain name you want in the search box and click search. If your domain name is available, you'll see a confirmation. If it's already taken, try another name until you find one that's free. Step 4, create an account if you're new to the site, or just log in if you already have one. Step 5, fill out the registration form. Enter the domain name you checked in Step 3, and fill in your contact information. If you have name servers from your hosting provider, you can enter those here. Otherwise, just leave it blank. Step 6, upload your citizenship document. Click Upload and select the scanned copy of your ID. Make sure it's clear and easy to read. Step 7, submit your request. Double-check your details, hit Submit, and you'll get a confirmation message. Your request is now being reviewed. And finally, Step 8, wait for approval. The review process might take a few days. Once approved, you'll get an email, and your domain will be ready to go live. And that's it. With your .com.np domain, you're ready to start building your website and establishing your online presence. It's an amazing way to connect with people, share what you're passionate about, and build something that's truly yours. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. And feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. I'm here to help. Good luck with your .com.np domain, and happy creating!